Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Iqoo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to stop talkback on Iqoo mobile. So friends, you have on talkback setting on your device, and guys now you want to stop talkback on Iqoo mobile. So friends, now let's see how to stop talkback on Iqoo mobile. In this video friends we will talk about one by one and step by step. So as you can see, I am not operating my Iqoo mobile. So when same you have on your talkback setting. So when how to use talkback and how to stop talkback on Iqoo mobile, let's see in this video. First of all friends, use your two finger, and friends you can use your screen. One finger friends you cannot use your Iqoo mobile screen. So use your two finger, and friends click on phone setting with one finger. Friends double tap here, because friends if you one tap you cannot stop talkback on your device. So when double tap here, and friends click on Bluetooth and device setting, and use your two finger again friends. If you use one finger you cannot use your Iqoo mobile screen. Use your two finger friends. Shortcut and accessibility setting friends, one tap here, double tap here. Easy touch setting, scroll it friends, you can see one hand mode setting, accessibility setting, task time mode. So double tap here friends. Accessibility menu, select to speak, switch SS, talkback setting. Double tap here. As you can see, use talkback setting. One tap here, double tap here. As you can see, stop button. So friends, you want to stop talkback on your Iqoo mobile. So then double tap here, and guys talkback will stop on your device. And friends, you can use your Iqoo mobile without talkback setting. And friends, you want to on talkback setting, so then you can on talkback, allow here, and the talkback will on again on your device. Again guys, you will have to use two finger, one finger you cannot use. So one tap here, double tap, stop button, double tap. So like that guys we can stop talkback on Iqoo mobile. So bye friends.